Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2020 Subaru Outback XT Turbo. The Outback just underwent a pretty decent redesign in 2020. This one is $41,618 is the sticker price on this one. This is all courtesy of Granite Subaru in Hudson, New Hampshire. Nice dual exhaust in the back. I personally love the looks of this car. Here's your key fob. Decent weight to it. Great Outback seat space. That's probably why they called it the Outback. So that one won't fold up with the front passenger seat all the way forward like that, or all the way back. But you have heated seats down in the back, two outlets. Go ahead, hop inside. It's pretty windy today. This is where I think they spent most of their time. You have this very Tesla-esque full-on touchscreen. It's really, really neat. This one does have the protective plastic because this one is a brand new car. Just absolutely beautiful. Nice sunroof here. Full LED lighting on the inside. Steering wheel's nice. It is heated. This one, believe it or not, this is one of the coolest features I've ever encountered in a car. So on top of having memory seats, it also has facial recognition, much like your iPhone or Android. So when you hop in the car, it senses who you are and sets it to your memory profile. That's pretty freaking cool. We'll go ahead, we'll hop in and go for a quick drive. You have your camera setting here, X mode. So that's for off-roading and such. Overall, really, really neat. Overall layout, very responsive, auto vehicle hold, steering responsive headlights. I love that feature. When you drive a car with that in the dark, you really don't want to go back. So really easy to use and a really intuitive system. Go ahead, put it in drive. I love the shifter feel. It's very luxurious while also, it's just good. Nice and quiet on the inside. That's really what you kind of need in a car like this. Visibility's excellent. You have a very nice seating position. You're sat pretty up high, but also you're sat up high, but it doesn't drive like an SUV. It's a really kind of neat idea. I love the steering wheel feel, the way it folds around your hands. It just overall feels really, really good. The paddles feel great in your hands as well. We'll go ahead, we'll try manual mode here. Very responsive. Of course, Subaru is known for all of their star safety features, including eyesight and the such, like forward collision warning, and all those major safety features that make this car a top safety pick. So this is a great family car, or a great option for somebody's, like a college student who wants their first new vehicle, and parents want something that will keep them safe. This is a really good option. You have all the technology that a millennial would want, as well as all the safety features that as well as all the safety features that your parents would want you to have. that was interesting. It's the first time I had a dog run out in front of me on a video. Another big special thanks to Gary Smith at Granite Subaru. I had actually met him before at some autocross events. So if you're looking for your Subaru, contact Gary Smith at Granite Subaru. I'll include his information down in the description box below. He's an awesome guy to deal with and really laid back and definitely knows his stuff. For example, he drives a BRZ. You can't really beat that. Great power to this. Has a good amount of oomph. Puts you back in the seat, and it's definitely a lot more than I expected in this kind of vehicle. For 41 grand, this is a really good car. The leather feels great. I love the dual contrast. It's just really a beautiful, beautiful interior. Really comfortable car to drive. I really don't have any complaints about this. This would be an awesome car for anybody, really. The adventurous person, you have the off-road features. Somebody in New England, you have the all-wheel drive. This could also be like a decent second car for somebody who, say, owns a BRZ, wants some performance, some turbo power. You can go ahead and pick yourself one of these. Brakes have a really, really good feel to them. Very progressive pedal feel. As you give it more, it brings more. It doesn't have, the instantaneous, you step on the brake and it throws you through the windshield. This also features heated seats as well as ventilated seats. I really love ventilated seats, again, for hot summer days or long road trips where you're sitting and you want some ventilation on your back. Go ahead, turn on those ventilated seats, and it provides some airflow behind you, so it doesn't make long road trips as tough as they once were. Doubt the camera picked it up, but there is a little bit of wastegate noise if you're listening pretty carefully for it, which is a pretty cool little idea. Not idea, but feature of a turbocharged motor. Kickdown's impressive. gear shifting itself feels great. Overall, this is a really, really, really good car, wagon, SUV. It's definitely, I mean, this is the first Subaru I've driven in about, 2-3 years. They've stepped their game up a lot. I'm impressed. It's a very good car. So thank you so much everyone for watching. Thank you to Granite Subaru for making this review possible. Oh, there's the auto start stop feature. And it also, that's cool. It tells you how much gas you saved due to the start stop feature. That is cool. I like that. So once again, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Thanks to Gary Smith at Granite Subaru for helping me set all this up. And have a great day.